In part 1 of the group project, we will run the script for installation of Apache and engines and Python from Ansible. We automate the script using Ansible. So let's start. We do Ansible directory first. We use the directory Ansible. We will edit. We will create a file, YAML file. We create a new file YAML. So this is where I show the addition and the creation of the script generated by YAML. So it will run the script through Ansible to automate the installation of this software for the web server. And this is web server host in web server VM. We want to edit first. It takes time. The first installation we will do is install Apache first. The name is Apache, and we use apt says the Ubuntu VM. We use apt command to install the software, and we set it to the latest. So we save the file first, the server script first. So we do the command to test the command Ansible nping server to test the server, to test the web server, the ping. We ping them and it's successful. So we ping once again to confirm it. And then we edit it again. We have to add the script. So for this YAML script creation, the indentation must correct. Otherwise, it cannot run. It cannot run by Ansible. We correct the indentation first. So we test. That is an error for indentation. So once again, for a while, we have corrected indentation, and this is our full script of Ansible automation script. So we run again using Ansible playbook play.yaml command. The gathering facts about web server first. We have to wait to install the Python at the web server VM. It takes time, few minutes. This exchange. It means it install. It successfully installed. The Docker also successfully installed. So engines also successfully installed. Apache also successfully installed. So I think it's complete. All the software intended to install are completed through the script automation by Ansible. So we enter the VM first. We want to test for the for the IP address. We will test the Apache availability at the VM. That is work. Which means we were successful install Apache. So for this section, we want to add the script to the Apache web hosting, the website. We were adding script to the Apache web hosting website. We add the script. We add the website. The name is at the website. The script is hello. So we test again using the command playbook. Oh, that's error detected. I think we test first what this error cause. Oh, that not found, which means the script is not found. It's not created yet. The script. I think we will create a new file. We create a new file .yaml to create the script. This is script created. We echo to the web page. I already do the script. Already do the new file, and we check again. Oh, this is successful. We have successfully added the script. So we test again at the website. This is successful. So the part 1 of the installation using Ansible script is completed. So we go to the part 2, which is adding Ansible using Jenkins and Docker, the Ansible automation. Yeah, we will test. We will explain about part 4 of the group project with our VM, Jenkins and Docker running, with our master and digital slave. We will use Ansible and Docker to run the script, the information script, the installation into this web server. So I also have to port forwarding this in case this command can port forwarding to the Jenkins, the master server. So let's go to the Jenkins, our GitHub, our Jenkins. So first thing first, I will explain is to install Jenkins. So we install Jenkins first. It already installed already. I want to show again how to install Jenkins. I want to show I just show the status only. My Jenkins library is supposed to be okay function. So we just proceed to the test project. So we want to so I have to so I want to test measure first. We test measure first. So let's do configuration. We um we have to do SCM with GitHub, particularly GitHub to do test level. So we also do this GitHub code trigger. So we give instruction to quick install the Maven repository. So after that, we save the configuration and we build the once we build the console. Um this is the result of the build. Although it's still it's an unstable condition, I think it also considered success. They download the repository and download this the test at the beginning and we download again and we start test. It is successful, although the condition is unstable, it's also considered successful because we able to beat the Jenkins space. So let's go to the next test with the local Ansible demo. So we get first, we go to the first manufacturing, we go to first and install Git. It's also dedicated for the test, for the previous test. We also so, install Ansible in Jenkins. We put in name Ansible and we put the correct path. This is the correct path for Ansible. And, and then save this. So we go to the test first. We have to do configuration. The first thing we have configuration. We create the pipeline. This is the pipeline for the program management. This is the Maven. I keep the pipeline for Maven bit. So after we successfully create the pipeline, the previous pipeline, this is the overall for the project. This is the first step of the pipeline. It's also the first step. It's also the first step of the pipeline. So we save it and we go to the git lead now. We build it. We successful bit. We go to console. This is all the process for building the Maven repository. It's successful and we're able to create a file for Docker for this whole project. So they will copy the target, the image from the doctor. Yeah, I think this is file. Yeah, this is really the file we want to create. So we will use this file to pull and push the image from doctor for Ansible. So we go to the next step. We add the pipeline. We add the pipeline. We add the credential from GitHub. This is the script. Before we do this, we will do the pipe syntax first. I think we declare the generator. This is the GitHub credential ID. So we generate it. For the shell script, we also want to add the pipeline. So this is this script pipeline script here. We create the script here. The script here, and we generate it. And this is the beginning only. The overall configuration description will be like this. So don't forget to double check the configuration for GitHub first. And after that, we save. So we can build it now. And this is the first one. So we use this file to create Docker image, to pull or push Docker image. And this an attempt to log into Docker is successful. Is successful. To, to push from this up, to push from this up, and it's successful. So the overall, the push from Docker is successful. So we configure. So the next step we configure again. We add another script to the pipeline. So this is a script for my GitHub. This, this is the overall script. As you see, we have to edit the previous script. So it is successful after we run it. This is the GitHub username, and after that, we also want to install Python, Docker, and Docker DY module for web server. This is the target for the installation. Target for the web server. This one. we edit all of it, and then we, we add another stage to part 9, the script. So we go to syntax and we find Ansible playbook. And this is the, the script, the stage what install. So we want to create the file, the YAML file to from Ansible. This is the target. So we use the SSH connection credential. This is required to give access from SSH to the Ansible. Otherwise, it cannot associate the connection. So the step is we do the keygen like this, the keygen, and also we do the copy. For that we do copy ID, the ID. We find the script first. I don't remember all the command. Command. We just wait for a while. We find the command. And this is the command. Command for copy ID from from the from the public to the from the public from the private VM, the master VM to this server VM. This is we copy the private key to this VM. And also then we can view the private key and this is the public key. Also this is a private key. All of these are private key. We will use this private key to to get the credential, to get this credential. So we disable the host certificate and to ensure that they don't from the password. After that, of complete, you generate this, you generate it. So it will create the script like this. And this is the script that we created all of this. After this is all complete, we save it and we run again. And after few of 10, we got successful. After attempt, this all the process from pushing and pulling it from the field. This is all the process. This is the script we automate from the Ansible. They install the Python, Docker, and the Docker Python module. It, all the insertion successful.
successful. It's success. They are all successfully installed into the web server VM. So the last step for the part of the project, we will put forwarding first. We will put, we we will set up a forwarding first. This is declare port. So declare in the website and the host. We will view the web app from the Docker deployment. It is a Docker deployment. We will view it from view to here. It is the command. Here I check first. Oh, we have to run again. We have to run again. Sorry, we have to run again from the beginning. Review all the process first. I think it will take a few minutes. If it time, I'll wait for a while. And it's successful. So we wait for a while. And we run again from this website. This is the web app. We, we create and push. Create, we push the web app from the Docker, the Docker script command. This is our web app. So this whole process to deploy from Docker is successful. It's our accomplished web app. And this is successful web app. So, so in the end, the web app deployed from Docker is successful. This is left is the in plot again Jenkins and Ansible. If you are successfully deployed using Jenkins and Ansible to the website from using the website to the website. So I think this is the end of our part two of our group project. So we go to the part three. This edition for the group project explanation about Ansible, Docker, and Jenkins. I forget to explain. This is another one. Okay, this is for the practice. The push the image for Docker. This is the section test generator. We generate this. We we play we like this with condition. So so the bundle has to do the password, the variable. So we use the condition. I did previously in the condition. So We enter the Docker Hub name and its password, the hub password. We use the ID for the this ID. The description, the different ID, and the description also the same. So we add this, so we can generate this. We use the pipeline generation and put into this. We also have to edit the command to minimize the error. So the addition to the script to minimize the error and to get it successful. This is the addition to the explanation. And we save it and we run a trigger. The view the console, the log for the previous addition to the script. It is the log to successfully push the Docker container. Okay, it's solved. And also one thing to add, from from where we get to make this application, the application previously, and this is the web app. And this is the web app. So this all the component of the web app. This is the main page. We view the video script. We use HTML to create and edit from the project long time ago. From my foundation time, I created it long time ago and edit to here. This is the whole main page web web source with HTML. So that is all from this is all from the edition, and we go to part 3. From Prometheus and Grafana. Firstly, what we have to do is we go to manufacturing and install Prometheus plugin. Okay. From the Prometheus plugin, we can take the different metrics to the Prometheus website. Here for one. And this is one plugin we have to install. And we will install and we will install it. And we want to look to really successfully install Prometheus on Jenkins. This will all the metrics and the metrics up here. So we consider really successfully in installing Prometheus in Jenkins. So we go back to Jenkins. You set a command line. You see, this is already installed. You already install, already run Docker. Already Docker run, but Docker run. We the case here, we will run the Prometheus inside Docker. Already used. So we already used. So one day we need for this. We will run the image container from Docker. Then this Grafana 3000 what 30,000 will be what identity will literally later. So the next step we want to create Prometheus script inside Docker. We use this command to create the directory, another directory, and to edit the script. This is script. This is already have in Docker, so we just add it so we can integrate with Prometheus and Grafana. And this is the addition to the local host, which is uh, our web host for the Prometheus, and this is our Jenkins, and this is our this is Prometheus VM, and this is also this is Jenkins VM. So we use different IP, so we can connect to the Prometheus VM successfully. So let's talk about exit with this edition. We restart it. We restart the script, the image, and we check again. We verify using the PS. So this is successful one. And the next step, we want to log in into Prometheus host site. So this is Prometheus site. So what you want to do about Prometheus website, you find the metric. This is all the metric for Jenkins. And this is the Prometheus metric. So once you use Jenkins metric to use this metric and you secure it, so we will give a value of 0. Zero not use. It is the execution of the Jenkins metric. So after that, we enter the Grafana command. So after so from this step, we want to build to create the new data source. So this is the data source. So now we will give any name in this. Uh, and to review that we will use per IP. Okay, this is Jenkins IP. So in this Jenkins IP atau Jenkins port, this is the correct code. Correct code. Then the there's another setting in this click save and test. So we successfully test. So we have a error. So we do this and we successfully. So we go to home. We want to create dashboard. This is new dashboard. There's some number of plugin from from this value from this execution. Will appear the number of plugin will appear like this. So we can edit it about all this. We edit all the dashboard here. So we also can this query from the Prometheus website. We will use one of the metric available. There is many available. There is one of the Jenkins metric. So we will see. Also can add query as an expression from the website. So also want to add visualization, we can add visualization for the more insight of Jenkins here. For instance, for example, let me we can the title. So after exchange, we can set it. We can edit it. So we love it. We can save it. We discuss and apply this. So I already set my our desktop. So we just discuss it. So we go we go to view our dashboard. So this is the value the has the data set memorization RAM research in memory. So this is all the performance and from the dashboard about Jenkins. So we also can add visualization from here from the dashboard and set. We also can set also we set the another parameter settings in the general settings. We also can change the title. So like this, we also can delete the spot. And on the and after you edit this, you can save the spot here. I think there's another explanation besides the around about the spot. So I think so we think we've done our explanation in part three, which is about monitoring the Jenkins from Prometheus and Grafana through this dashboard.